Control number 39980, please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Manet Sidilaw. I am 35 years old. I am married for 15 years. I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl, ages 14, 12, and 7 years old. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the eldest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate from San Rafael National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money so that I can help my husband to earn for our growing expenses and to save for our children education.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am, it's my first time applying as an OFW, but I have experience working here in Philippines as housemaid.
How long you worked there?
2 years and 8 months.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, ma'am, ages 65 and 75 years old. I accompany them to their checkup, prepare them food, and help them drink their medicine.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am, ages 8, 5, and 3 years old. I prepare their food, playing them, teach them to write coloring, and counting the numbers.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I can do cooking, do the laundry, ironing, go to market, and gardening.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Filipino food like adobo, menudo, and Chinese food, steamed vegetable, chop suey, steamed fish, and chicken.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
Trustworthy, honest, reliable, and responsible.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemaid. I can assure you that you can trust me because I'm honest, hardworking, reliable, trustworthy, and dedicated to my work. And if I given a chance, I will do my job with all my best to serve your family better. And I promise to finish my contract within 2 years. And if you like my service, I'm willing to sign another contract. Thank you.